WMC250EV. The vehicle you see on the screen could be the world's first electric motorcycle. It was created by the British company White Motorcycle Concepts to revolutionize the world of two-wheeled vehicles. It has an unusual design with an air duct in the front part of the body to reduce air resistance while driving. As a result, the drag coefficient is reduced by 69% to a value of 0.118, while the closest competitor only reaches to 0.279. The design has yet to be tested, but the creators hope to beat the current record of 228 miles per hour by accelerating the bike to above 250 miles per hour.